We've done all of this for that. It just gets worse and worse. This is easily the most stupid thing that we have ever done.
I regret this so much.
Where are we?
We're at Seganing Waterfall.
Yeah, and look at the insane views. And we're going to try and go down that little pathway down there. There is a temple over there, right where my finger is, but that looks to be the pathway to it. And I am...
No to that stuff.
Not doing that.
Never. There's actually not a pathway that leads up this way, to be fair.
But there is a little track there though.
I don't know if that is where you walk along.
No, there
I think
must
it
be a little bit down there, yeah.
But still.
Should we get going down there then?
Let's go.
So this is the way. Look how sketchy this is.
Looks like it was used just yesterday.
Looks like it's never been bloody used. Look how extreme this is. It's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, man.
Look at the view just over there. Look how insane that is. Good bloody luck, Sabrina. Some of them do move as well. Just give everything a little tug as well before you're holding on to it. Sketchiest thing I think I've ever done.
What are we doing this for? Again? I don't even know what's at the end of this. Natural pools.
Well, you wouldn't want to fall down there, would ya? Gonna go first for a little bit?
Yeah, I'm just trying to eye out which way is best to go.
I think we are making quite big progress though, Zab.
Where we came from, guys. Up there.
We're making progress, aren't we? Surely. This is definitely the worst thing I think I've ever done, and also we've come in the wet season.
Yeah, it rained last night and earlier.
Hence through why there's nobody else here.
Oh god, I feel like I'm sliding. This is like a vertical drop. So you can believe it, we just came from up round there. Here we are currently.
View.
Ah, beautiful view, but I am dying. Oh gosh.
We're nearly there. We've nearly bloody made it. How long's it taken? About 20 minutes, half an hour maybe? Hasn't been. It's been awful.
Dying. I've got proper Sula.
It's the most dangerous thing I think we've ever done, isn't it?
Knowing that we're the only people here is a bit like...
I know.
Hope you find this, Mum.
Oh my god, you've got to be having a laugh, haven't you?
No.
That's it there, yeah.
Oh my god.
We've done all of this for that. We'll have to do it though, won't we?
Come all this way.
Look at the views! This is extreme down here though. But we're nearly there.
Help me, God.
It just gets worse and worse. This is easily the most stupid thing that we have ever done. And I'm bloody scared of heights. Crazy scared of heights.
I regret this so much.
Come on, Zabby. Try not to die.
Dinner ready. Like, get an SOS so someone can pick us up by boat or something.
Imagine. Worst.
I do not want to put my pop again. Right, so if you can believe it or not, we actually came from up there. Yeah. Pretty surprising, don't you think? I mean, oh. Welcome to Seganing.
Seganing.
Seganing. Won't be staying long. Butterflies everywhere. Ah. Here we go! Yay! Wow, the ocean looks lovely though. Right, let's get in this pool, I guess. Pretty pronto. There's a waterfall. I wonder how long they've done this, you know? 'Cause that hasn't always been there, I don't think. You know?
How do they get that there?
Boat, probably, I don't know.
Helicopter.
Ooh.
Ow.
Oh. Right, here we are. Yeah, I mean this is cool, but yeah. Oh my god.
What do you think then after you've been here?
Finally getting down here, it's like, you know, it's nice, like you have the ocean and that.
It is insanely beautiful.
It is beautiful, but I feel like we've done the hardest one out of the other ones, because I think there's similar places to go down, you know. I mean, there's another one that has the like blue stairway, isn't it? And I think it's actually nicer. I mean, I was not expecting this tank of water.
No, that is quite random, but
If you look this way,
it's stunning. Yeah.
Stunning. So yeah, I just feel like we should have done this way earlier in the day, don't you think?
Yeah.
It's like 6 o'clock now.
I know. Oh, spider.
Oh god.
It's nice though. Oh, these bits are so sharp. That's where it meets the sea. I'd love to know if anyone's actually swam in this part of the sea, because it looks bloody crazy. Sabrina's getting her shoes because she can't handle the razor foot. If you look, that's where the path is, all along there. We were holding on to that part, the bamboo bit. Look at the path, look. Huh? Look at the path.
I'm so dreading it.
I know. Maybe we'll just sleep down here.
Yeah, wait till the morning.
Yeah, come look at the sea. Come look at the sea. It's not a straight drop. Sam, you got bloody shoes on. What are you worried about?
Get them wet.
Oh. Yeah, look.
Beautiful.
Look how crazy these waves are. Would you say it's worth coming here or not?
Personally, no, because there's other easier ways down to like something similar to this, you know, on other parts of the island, you know.
I would personally say it's worth it. I think it's beautiful, and you know, it's a bit of an adrenaline rush. Bloody scary, but I think it's worth it overall. But I think that just about wraps this one up, doesn't it?
Divided down the line.
Yeah, divided down the line. What do you think? In the
give
comments.
your opinion.
Yeah, where do you think it's worth it?
Alright, well we'll see you in our next video, guys. Hope you enjoyed.
Look at the size of that wave.
Whoa, I can feel the spray from that.
Whoa.
That's our cue to go.
Bye.